In this lesson, we will learn how to insert text. In this layout, we can insert the text in any of the cell. We can also insert another table in the cell or a div tag to enter the text. Now, we will take a table to enter the text. I want to place the table in this particular cell. So I placed the cursor in this cell. Now I'll go to Layout. In this panel, click on the table to insert a table. Take one row, one column and 400 pixels width and click on OK. Now I could create a table. So let us enter some text into this table. In this way, we could type some text in the table. Now, let us see how to format this text. Now, let us see how to format the text. To format the text, we can use the options in the Properties panel. First, let us look at the font type. Here in the Properties panel, we have a list menu showing different font families. We can choose any one of these font families. These font families comprised of very familiar fonts. In web designing, we should use only the most popular fonts like Arial, Helvetica, Verdana, Courier New, etc. If we use any uncommon, funky or theme-based fonts, there might be a problem for the users who download our pages. If their system does not contain the font, there would be a problem. So it is always better to choose the most common fonts. Here we selected this Verdana, Arial, Helvetica. Now let us see the font size. Here we can set the font size by choosing their size in numbers, or we can select either XX small. First select the text and click on XX small. The letters are too small. Let us go to small. Let us check medium. We can take even large, XX large and larger. Now let us see the font color. Here the font color is in blue by default. We can change the color by clicking in the color icon and choose the color that we would like to apply to our font. Here we have chosen the brown color. We can add effects like bold by clicking on the bold icon. In the same way, we can click on italic to make the text italic. To align the text, we can make use of these align buttons. By clicking this one, we can align the text to left side, and this is to center align, and this one is for right align, and the last one is for justification. Here we have option to add bullets to our text. If we have some points, we can add bullets by clicking this icon. We can also add numbering by clicking this button. We can make the text indent and outdent by using these buttons. We can format the text further by using the options in the CSS panel. Now let us look at this CSS Styles panel. In this panel, we can edit the properties for the fonts and we can set up the font according to our wish. Here we have different properties related to the font, size and style. Here we can choose the color. Already we have chosen a color that is displayed here. And we can choose the font size and font style and line height, and we can change the font weight. Right now our font is having normal weight. We can make it some 300. See, it appears a bit bolder. Let us choose 700. It appears much more bolder. Let us make it normal. So this is normal. In the same way, we have text transform and font variant. Let us see the text transform. Here we can make the text into capitals by choosing this uppercase. Now the text is turned into capital letters. We can use the options like underlining the text, overlining, line through, or we can make the text even blink. In this way, we can format the text in Dreamweaver.